Stand straight. Face here. Yes. Face here. 4. Okay, there you go. Back pa niya so we can see you. No, go back. Back. So we can see you there more. Okay. You move there. So, show yourself. Move. Emily. Yes, like that. Show yourself. Okay, everybody stand straight. Hana Tepi, you go there. There. Yes. Okay, now we can see you now. Stand straight. No extra movement, please. Straight. Put your hands up. Put your hands up, please. Up. Okay, put your hands down. Follow the teacher. Hands down. Hands down. You follow teacher.
Hands down.
Very good.
Hands down.
Hands up.
Hands up.
Hands down.
Hands down.
Okay. Hands forward.
Hands forward.
Very good, Emily. 4.
Forward.
Hands down.
Hands down.
Okay. Put your hands to your side. Hands to your side.
Hands to your side.
And then put it down.
Put it down.
Okay. Put it down.
Put it down.
Okay, everybody listen. Radha. Okay, I want you to touch your hair. Okay. These are my hair.
These are my hair.
Everybody say, these are my hair.
These are my hair.
Okay, put it down now. Okay, I want you to touch your ears. Ears. Ears.
Ears.
Where's your ears? Okay, these are my ears.
Here are my ears.
With S. Ears.
Ears.
These are my ears.
Here are my ears.
Okay, how many ears do you have?
1, 2.
Very good, Porpor.
1,
Okay, put it down now.
2.
Okay, guys, I want you to touch your nose. Now, touch your nose. Nose. Okay, nose.
No.
How many nose do you have?
1.
Very good. Put it down now. Put your hands down.
Put it and hot.
Okay, I want you to touch your eyes. Okay, these are my eyes.
These are my eyes.
Okay, how many eyes do you have?
1, 2.
2. Okay, let's count.
1, 2.
Very good. Put it down now. Okay. Show me your teeth.
Show me your
Teeth.
teeth.
Okay. What is the color of your teeth?
White.
Very good, Emily. White.
White.
Okay. Touch your lips now. Okay, lips.
Lip.
These are my lips.
These are my lips.
Okay, how many lips do you have?
2.
Yes, 2. Upper lip, lower lip.
2.
Let's count. 1,
1,
2.
2.
Okay, 2. And this is your what?
Mouth.
Mouth. Very good, Dana. Mouth.
Mouth.
Okay. Now,
First,
last one. Show me your tongue.
tell me your tongue.
Okay, very good, Emily. Tongue.
Tongue.
Where is it?
Tongue. Tongue. Tongue.
Very good. Okay, stand straight now. Stand straight. Straight. Okay. Good morning, class. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher.
Okay. Again. Good morning, class.